All right, good evening, BCF. I wanted to do a little demo here with Lee. He's pitching JD this week, which is a great company. For all disclosure, I have a decent sized position in it myself. But what I wanted to do is save everybody some time. I essentially built a custom CompCo model template that you can go onto CapIQ, get your comps, and then drag and drop and have an instant CompCo in Excel. Watch it. It'll take you literally 5 minutes. This will save everybody a lot of time when they're sourcing ideas because it allows you to run the CompCo at the beginning rather than waiting to pitch a stock, developing an idea, and then you get into doing the modeling after you've invested hours in an idea and realize the comps are terrible. So I wanted to record this for everyone so you'll see what I'm doing. Okay, first of all, I'm going to obviously CapIQ, comp screening. Let me back this out just to show you where I'm at. You go up here to screening, create companies. We're going to name this Lee's JD Demo. Lee's JD Demo. And Lee has got the tickers he wants to add. So this creates a new comp. All right. So now we need to add the tickers. Obviously, the first one is going to be JD.com, excellent Chinese e-commerce company that actually sells real authentic goods. What's the next one, Lee? What's your next comp?
Alibaba, BA.
Okay, we got Alibaba.
VIPS, VIP shop.
Okay, what's the ticker?
VIPS.
VIPS. Next ticker.
And then JMIA, Jumia International.
Jumia International, another e-commerce. Okay, what's the next one? PDD?
Yep, PDD.
Pinduoduo, they're known for their excellent worker treatment. People have actually been dying from heart attacks. They work them so hard there at Pinduoduo. Not heavy on, we don't have an ESG screening, but they would fail, I think, because they're literally killing their workers. Okay, and then the last one, C Limited. Now we've got our 6 comps, okay? So what you want to do now is, first of all, add to comps. This now saves this comp list to Lee's JD Demo in CapIQ. And here's the trick. You want to go down, instead of doing the default, you want to go out to My Templates and SS4. This will give you the right data set to input into this CompCo template I've got, and it will save you a ton of time. So now that you've got the output at SS4, click the Excel button, drop it in. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to pull up the template. Okay, this is the CompCo template. This is the front page. The beauty of this is it's going to take all that data. It's going to give you all these different multiples. You got the last 12 months and the next 12 months, EV to revenue, EV to EBITDA, EV to EBIT, and then you're just going to simply change the concluded value of common equity, whichever one suits your purpose. Okay, so if you've got a growth company, obviously you want to use the next 12 months EV to revenue because growth companies are valued on price to sales most likely. If you've got more of a value stock, it's going to be like EV to EBITDA or EV to EBIT, depending on the capital structure of the firm. So now that we have that, you go to the Capital IQ input for comps. You're going to pull up the Excel that we just outputted from CapIQ. Okay. Go up here to this cell. Make sure, now here, the key is you've got to make sure your comp, the stock you're pitching, is on top. As long as it's the first one, you're fine. Now we got the output where JD came out on top. If not, you'll have to copy and paste and make sure that yours is on top because that informs the model. Go out here, copy and paste, copy, go back to the model. Now I'll include this in the BCF drive, send it to the professor and email it to everybody because this will save everyone a lot more time so you can spend time sourcing ideas rather than doing modeling on the comps. Paste it right here. Here we've got all our comps, JD. Now let's look at the home screen. How about this? The average EV to revenue multiple is 8.2. So JD, it looks like the CompCo is giving us, it's a $1.1 trillion market cap. So Lee's got a great pitch for you guys next week. We got 807% upside when valued against these comps, EV to next 12 months revenue. This is an excellent stock. But I'll leave it at that. Just wanted to do a quick recording for you guys to show you how to use this and how to save you a lot more time so you can spend more time sourcing great ideas for the BCF, because that's truly how you add value to the fund.